Okay. Okay, on this next one, we're going to try to figure out the molar masses of these compounds shown. So if you have these four structures, remember that what we need to do in order to figure out the molar mass is we need to count the number of each element that is present in the compound, and we need to add them all up. So in order to do that, it's best to have your molecular formulas, and I've got those written down here. So for the first one is C5H13N. And so let's go ahead and start to sort this out. So for the first one, I have 5 carbons. So that's 5 times the molar mass of carbon, 12.01. Now keep in mind that all units will be grams per mole. That could also be AMU if your instructor wants you to have it in AMU, but a gram per mole is the same as an AMU. So then the molar masses listed on the periodic table are all in either grams per mole or in AMU. It's the same unit, or it's the same value. So 12.01 times 5 is 6.05 grams per mole. I have 13 hydrogens, so 13 times 1.008, I get 13.104 grams per mole. And the mass of one hydrogen is 14.01 grams per mole. Adding them all together and rounding to the correct number of significant figures, I get 87.19 grams per mole. Okay, so the next one, 4 carbons, that's 48.04 grams per mole. 10 hydrogens, that's 10.08 grams per mole. And then oxygen is the new guy here. It's 16.00 grams per mole. So 2 times 16 equals 32 grams per mole. So adding them all together, I get 90.12 grams per mole. Now, we did the first one. That's C5H13N, 87.19 grams per mole. We did the second one. We get 90.12 grams per mole. But notice the fourth one has the exact same molecular formula. Remember, they're isomers. And so isomers are have the same molecular formula, different structures. And since it has a different structure, but the same molecular formula, that means the molar masses are the same. So we figured out the one for the, we figured out the molar mass for the second one. We've also figured out the molar mass for the fourth one. So that means we really only have one more to do, and that's C3H6O2. And in order to start figuring that one out, we'll take 3 times 12.01, we get 36.03 grams per mole. 6 times 1.008, we get 6.048 grams per mole. And then again, 2 times 16.00, 32.00 grams per mole. Adding all those together, we get 74.08 grams per mole. And now we have the molar mass of the third one. So we have all 3 molar masses that are different, and we have the answers for all 4 of them. Okay, guys.